Come on!
Very nice, Dane. Very nice. Gavin, you're going to do the gaffing work. Then I can take the picture. Step over here. Has your drag set properly, Dane? Can you see him?
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, here comes the seals. Here comes the seals. Watch out the line under the... Oh, you know what?
Look at that.
Quickly, hook, gaff him there, because you know what? It's under the motor. Gaff him. Gaff him. Oh, here he is this side. Nice size, eh? Okay, you want me to gaff?
It's your side.
Oh, no, it's your side.
Okay.
Don't lose this. Okay, and quickly before these oaks come here.
Okay.
Take him there.
Such a beautiful. Give me your camera.
Okay, watch out he just doesn't get everything in. Watch out the blood. That's it. Okay, got it. Alright, Dane, you're going to have to hold up your fishy there.
Okay.
With those teeth and all, look at that. Nice line, nice shiny fish. Hold him tail up. That's a nice size snook there, eh?
Oh my word. I can't believe this.
Hold him up nicely there, Dane. Let's have a look.
That is... Yay!
Okay,
That's
wonderful.
what it's all about.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, stop. Okay, now watch out all the blood. Watch out all the blood and all your stuff there.